They did not yet know what courage was. They did not know what together was. But the fear of death united them. And amidst the roar of the beast, the first power was born. The power of togetherness. Fear is the first shadow that life casts. Thus, courage is born. Fire is not just warmth. Those who learn to protect fire are no longer just surviving, they are creating the future. This is the field between the hunter and the prey. And he who learns to wait is already closer to reason than to the beast. Water gives life, but it also takes it away. Where fear drowns the weak, those who learn to trust each other survive. Every drop of blood is the price for understanding that life is not a trophy, but a debt to those who survived alongside. Hunger made them enemies, but after the battle they felt for the first time that strength lies not in the prey, but in those around them. But one spark, thrown into the night, gave them back power over fear. And for the first time, the world was illuminated by I Can. The jungle is listening. Only those who can hear danger earn the right to breathe again. They sat by the fire as the night breathed behind them, and each flash reminded them that even the smallest light can conquer 1,000 years of darkness.